This is Superbena Pink Cashmere, year number 2. This is such a vigorous verbena. There are just 2 plants here, and they spread, I think, at least 2 feet. But I want to show you my David Austin English shrub roses. This is Desdemona. We had a brief rain shower, and so they're covered in rainwater, but so dainty and enchanting and beautiful. Desdemona. The larkspurs that I planted back here last year, they reseeded, and some are in bloom right now, like this one right here. And these right here will be in bloom next week. This is an Angelonia that got stuck back here. So this is Angelonia Archangel Pink. There are 2 Picasso and purple Supertunias. This is a very vigorous Supertunia. This Supertunia will spread 3 feet wide and will be a foot tall, and so I think 2 is just sufficient. David Austin English Climbing Rose, Bathsheba. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go in closer right here. Look at this one right here. This is a Salvia farinaceae called Plain the Blues. 5th year in my garden. These are sold as annuals, but in my garden here in California Zone 9B, this wondrous plant is a perennial. This is Olivia Rose Austin, a David Austin shrub rose. Such a beauty. So Sweet Williams, I have a bunch of Sweet Williams from the Sweet Mix. I like how this one you have the mixed colors going very well with the Margaret Daisy next to it. This is also from the Sweet Mix. This is Lanna Lace Marigold. This one grows to about a foot tall and wide, and it's quite bushy. Already you can see the bushy habit. The creamy color is beautiful. My violas are still in bloom. This is my island bed, and I planted in here. This is Blueberry Sparkler Canna, Pink Cashmere Superbenas. I wonder if I should prune back the Superbena. I think it's looking good, but it's also not looking so good. Last year I planted Cleomes. I think it was Senorita Blanca, the white Cleome from Prune Winners, and it did alright. I think it was because this area here gets very, very hot, and there's also a lot of root competition. And I also planted the year prior, I planted the Fireworks Gomphrena. I came across this one here. This is called Fireball Pink. This one is up to 2.5 feet tall and perhaps a foot to a foot and a half wide. And I saw photographs that it does get bushy, so it's kind of like a more compact version of Fireworks. I want to show you what I have going on right here. The coloring is so bold bold and beautiful. This Sweet William, this is magenta bicolor, also from the sweet mix. I really want to plant them today, but it started to rain, and so that's why they're kind of exposed right now. But I'm going to plant them right now before it gets too dark. Starlight Dancer is such an enchanting Nicotiana. And this is year 2 for this Nicotiana. I love the enchanting, is it star-shaped, bell-shaped flowers. Look at them. Foxy foxgloves. And this area here gets very, very hot. It gets baked in the summertime. For the foxgloves, I had sun-loving plants that were growing around the foxgloves. And so the foxgloves, this past year, they were sheltered from the hot sun. I have blooms to come. Right here, blooms and blooms, foxy foxgloves, and I also planted in here. These are Cleome seedlings. This is Cleome, I think it's called the Queen Mix, and the label says 3 feet tall, but I read online they get to, I think, 5 feet, 6 feet tall, and so I'm looking forward to seeing how they grow. 1, 2, and there are actually 2 plants in the seedling set and 2 in the seedling set. And I think this Queen Anne's lace, there's 2 here, 2, and there are 3 of the Queen Anne's lace. Look at the foliage of this euphorbia. This one is called Breathless Blush. This grows to about a foot wide by a foot tall. So this is a great filler or a great plant to tuck in between other plants. I just love the ethereal blooms. This grows 2 to 3 feet tall. This is Cocoa Yellow, I think, is the name of this marigold. They're not that close that there's not enough air circulation, and a lot of these plants, they also they're quite airy. They have they don't have super thick growths, and so there's an airiness, if that makes any sense. But I think that I just want to fill it up, and so I have like a very lush looking space right here. Yesterday I unboxed a shipment from Romance Gardens. I got 4 of the Cleomes. This is Senorita Rosalita. This is a sterile, more compact, bushier Cleome. Little blooms right here. And I got 3 sweet potato vines. This one is Sweetheart Lime. This is Medusa Black, I think. Yeah, Medusa Black. And this one is Sweet Caroline Mahogany. This is Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Mahogany. I think this one will be okay. This one really suffered during the shipment, but I see some new growths in there. I up-potted a bunch of Hollyhocks. I think this one is the double mix. And these came in a 6-pack, and I couldn't wait. Yeah, this is a double mix right here. I couldn't wait to get them going because it's hard to water the 6-packs, especially with the warming weather. And these really need to grow as soon as possible. There are already roots pushing out from the base. Halo mix, eye-catching flowers. These grow to about 6 feet tall, and they're also quite resistant to rust. Daffodils have finished blooming, and so I'm just letting them soak up the sun and recharge for the next year. Oh, I want to show you. This is so sweet. This is, carrots. Cosmic purple carrots. This is an eggplant called Fairy Tale. This is a shorter, more compact eggplant. I think this grows to about 3 feet tall, I think. This needs to be planted up in the ground or in a raised bed or up potted very soon. 3 different types of compact determinate tomatoes. I think these 2 are Little Napoli. These 3 I think are Little Bing, and this one's Little Sicily. Little Bing is a cherry type. Sicily is a slicer type, And little Napoli is aroma type. So I started zinnia seeds. This is Victorian Wedding. This is from Floret Flowers. And the seeds actually from last year, but I planted 1 seed per cell and the germination rate is pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23. 23 plants, not bad. Also I have here, this is Gomphrena Lavender Lady. And there are little seedlings. Can you see little seedlings? Lavender Lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 seedlings from Gomphrena Lavender Lady. This is so exciting.